you have to build a skill. The second thing is to make sure that you have financial intelligence. Listen to me. Financial literacy is key. If you are working and you are just living hand to mouth, you take your salary, you burn it out, you don't have any emergency fund, you don't have any investment available that can take care of you in moments like this, then your life is going to be miserable. I say this all the time because many people live the life that they don't qualify to live. People are driving cars they don't qualify to drive. People are living in houses they don't qualify to live in. People are wearing clothing they don't qualify to be wearing. People are using phones they don't qualify to be using. Why? Because they just want to impress other people. They want other people to feel that, yeah, they have also arrived. Why? Because the average human being is inferior of himself or herself. So inferiority complex causes people to buy dumb things in order to please others that they have arrived. But the way the world is going now, you need to sit down and really have financial literacy and know how to make money, most importantly, how to keep that money, and then how you can make that money work for you. So this is my question to you. If you were to lose your job today, can you still live the same life you are having for at least 6 months without needing any financial assistance? If you were to lose your job today, can you go 6 months without needing any financial assistance and still live that life that you are living? For 99.9% of you, the answer is going to be no. Why? Because the month is not even over and you are walking around asking people to lend you some money. But have you sat down to look at your finances? Have you sat down to consider the house you live in? Have you sat down to consider the car you drive?